At the edge of a frozen world, a colony of penguins waddles across glittering ice, their sleek black and white tuxedos flashing like living stars against the polar sunrise. The camera glides low, capturing their synchronized dives into crystal clear waters where they chase shimmering fish with lightning speed. Their flippers propelling them in perfect harmony. On land, they huddle together, sharing warmth and protecting their precious eggs, while soft snowflakes dance around their tiny fluffy cheeks. Future explorers of the Southern Ocean, scientifically, penguins belong to the adapted family of Sphenicidae, flightless birds uniquely adapted to marine life with dense bones and deep dives and layer insulating blubber. Their social behavior includes intricate vocal calls and ritualized courtship displays that strengthen their pair bonds for life. Penguins act as keystone of predators, keeping fish and krill population balanced and transporting nutrients from ocean to land, which supports other wildlife and algae growth. A drop in penguin numbers can trigger trophic acidities, leading to overpopulation of prey species, altered food webs, and reduced biodiversity in both marine and coastal inhabitants. Penguins teaches us the power of teamwork, resilience, and caring for another, showing that together we can weather even the coldest storms.